So we're here with Bob Raus, who's with HP at EPS Connect 2023, and this is kind of an exciting year for HP and Connect because this is the first time that you're a partner here at the show and event, correct?
That is correct, and we are super excited to be here. We have a lot of customers here, but then a lot of people that really don't know our equipment and our capabilities. And since we're doing an integration with PACE as well as Radius to the Indigo digital presses, we have a lot to talk about.
That sounds terrific. And you have a lot here. Obviously, HP covers a lot of ground with the industry. You have equipment, you have software, you've got a bit of everything, I think. And at the show here today for attendees at Connect 2023, we see samples that you have from a lot of your devices. I think you're showing software. What are some of the key things that you want every attendee to take away to know really what HP is doing to drive the industry forward?
Sure. So first thing is we have a wide range of digital presses that play in many different markets. Everything from labels and flexible packaging to, of course, commercial print, photo, and folding cartons, and many other areas. Because Indigo can print on just about any substrate, there's such a wide range of applications, and we're pretty excited to show many of them here for the first time to people, to kind of open their eyes. But we're also talking about our cloud-based automation system called PrintOS, to help people understand that we're more than just the digital press. Our focus is really on helping our customers automate their production from the time they receive a job to the time it ships. And so PrintOS is helping us do that in a lot of different ways. And we also have a great session today and tomorrow, customer panel tomorrow, and our new director of software solutions here today to tell the audience all about the things we're doing behind the scenes.
You've worked on the partnership here to get some of those technical bits worked out for connecting the solutions between EPS and HP, and that's obviously taken some effort, but what's the primary driver for the business use case where printers should really take a look at this integration that you spent this time on?
You know, integration in and of itself is, nice. But here's the thing, we're at a point in the market and with society in general where people need everything faster. I was in a session and I said, who has an Amazon Prime account? And everybody raised their hand. We live in a digital world. That means we have to be able to do things faster. Doing things faster not only means that we have faster equipment, what it means is that we can take orders, process them, we can produce them, we can track them through production, we can ship them within hours. All of that means automation. And so a lot of what we're talking about is not only just the automation, but our open systems and our commitment to open architectures. We like to say really that integration is the foundation of automation. And so a lot of our focus and the tools that we're using here with EPS are all based on our open APIs, SDKs, and many other things that we've had for a long time, and we're excited to see people really leveraging more and more these days.
And we know the industry is facing a lot of challenges over the past recent time, and probably some of those will linger as we go forward. How is HP looking at some of those challenges, whether it's labor challenges, whether it's the challenge of how to automate, or even getting smarter equipment, so to speak? How's HP looking at that? Maybe any sneak peek at the direction that we're headed in 2023 from HP?
Oh, it's terrific. So, you mentioned smarter equipment. Everybody talks about Industry 4.0, so forth. Really having devices, whether it's the press, the DFEs, systems, the finishing devices, and so forth, be able to report back to a central system or a cloud system like PrintOS where you can get data directly, and be able to actually now track jobs and get the data back. Being able to submit is one thing. Submitting jobs in an automated way to a device that's not smart or connected still means somebody has to click a mouse. We are eliminating that need to click the mouse, not only to submit, but also to get the data back automatically into systems like PACE and Radius. So not only can it be submitted, that's nice, but you get the data back. Once you get the data back on how long it took, how many clicks, how many sheets you used of what substrate, then you can actually automate within PACE and Radius to calculate if that job was profitable. This is the key. And so it's all about being able to tie these things together and not just eliminate people, pushing the green button to print, but the whole process. And that's really where we're focused.
Yeah, that provides a lot of value to printers being able to basically take action on that data through the smart devices that HP offers and so forth. Last question for you, Bob. We have a lot of attendees here at the EPS Connect 2023. Any kind of interesting conversations or directions things have gone in as you talk to people across the show floor that you found kind of insightful?
We've had a lot of great conversations so far, and what we're finding is that, number one, some of the people didn't really know who HP was. They think of us as maybe the large format latex team. A lot of people think of HP as like laptops and desktop printers. That's all good. That is our HP. But we're a division that's focused on commercial print. Print for pay, labels, packaging, converting, basically trying to convert all the analog production to digital, and to be able to add value. Not just, oh, it's nice to do digital, but now we can turn things around faster. We can add variable data. We can do things that really can't be done in analog, like special inks and different finishing, and customize and personalize things in such a way that we're taking not only steps out of the process so it's more automated, but we're delivering 2 and 3 times the value for the brands so that they can sell more, they differentiate more, and it all comes through the cloud with orders from mobile apps and 100 other ways these days. So we're doing our best to bring the industry forward, and we're learning lots and lots as we talk to people. We don't know it all, but we're doing our best to respond and lead the way.
Thank you so much for your time today, Bob. It's been a pleasure.